Yes, good morning. Yeah, today is a Wednesday. Time check 40 minutes past 2 a.m. Precisely, we are in the Asian session. Yeah, I just want to look at the pairs that I'm looking forward to trade. And before doing that, I normally look at the first thing I normally look at is the DXY, the US dollar index. Yeah, just to tell me the possible direction of other pairs or other instruments. You might say forex, cryptos, equities, bonds. So since last week we started to see DXY starting to buy. Since last week we've been buying DXY. As you could see, it has been moving higher as we kept seeing price sponsorship towards the buy side of the curve. So the other week we looked at the weekly context area, which sponsored price towards the weekly swing high. So basically we've been buying the dollar index. So let me go to the daily because I did some setups on the daily. You could see that the daily we've been still bullish. As you could see the daily order flow. Yeah, you can see the order flow legs on the daily. Yeah, break of market structure, a retest, that's a return to discounted areas, to any PDR. It could be a fair value gap, it could be an order block, it could be a breaker, a mitigation block, as you could see. So the current leg that we have on the daily, we could see price is literally retested this demand area, the daily demand area. As we see, this is the daily demand area. Well, it failed. It fulfilled the draw on liquidity, which actually was meant to. It was fulfilled, but it never broke structure. Yeah, it did just a liquidity strip. It retraced. So I'm expecting DXY to continue buying more. So let me go to H4. H4, we're gonna see it clearly. H4, you could see this is the daily order block I'd marked on H4 on daily. So if I'm to refine it, let me just do this. I'll be marking this as my H4 order block. This will be my H4 order block. Yes. So let me just fix it nicely. This is my H4 order block. Okay. So it's clear enough that H4 shows you the clarity of what I'm trying to talk about. This is H4. On Friday, we started seeing the way the week closed. On Friday, it closed with a consolidation. On Monday, we opened with a consolidation. You can see this build up of liquidity, the buy side and the sell side liquidity. So when I woke up yesterday, actually on the Monday, I just noticed this massive consolidation and this massive pull of liquidity, this sell side. Yeah. So what I've been waiting for a sweep of this massive liquidity pool. This could be some kind of inducement, a sweep, and I was waiting to see price making a return to this order block that we see on 4 hour. I was waiting for RT or a return, and this was my area of interest, point of interest, where I was expecting to buy DXY from. So this is DXY. We're still going up. This is where I'm expecting DXY to buy from. Retracement to the higher time frame PDRA. This is the sell side of the curve. So now we're gonna make a continuation on the buy side of the curve. So if you are someone who uses the market maker model for entries, we're gonna be looking for the market maker buy model on DXY. So for our precisely, you go to the lower time frame, like 15 minutes, you look for the market maker buy model, you know what to do. So DXY, I normally use it as an indicator to show me what I'm likely to do on other pairs like GU, like EU. So precisely that's it. Just like you see EU, this is the pair actually that I'm gonna enter now. EU, you could see it's the opposite of the DXY. EU shows exactly the opposite of what we saw on DXY. Here we saw a massive consolidation Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Then after that, it took out this inducement. It swept this buy side liquidity above this range, taps the area of supply. This is EU. So now we're hoping now to see price starting to drop. So if you are to sell, you know what to do. Yes, we delivered with the buy side of the curve. Now we gonna start selling. We're gonna do confirmations, yeah, so that we can start delivering, distributing. This was a manipulation. This was a consolidation. This range manipulation is this buy towards the supply, and then we're gonna be distributing definitely. And the target is clear enough. We'll be targeting this sell side liquidity, these old lows. So euro is to sell, GU is to sell, but for me, I've decided to sell GU for some reasons. I'm selling GU for some reasons because when I look at my Euro GBP is still on the selling curve. So as I look at it on Euro GBP, I'm targeting this weekly context area so that I can see that I can start buying. So we're still selling, we're still on the pullback on Euro GBP. As you could see, we're still on the pullback. So since we still are selling Euro GBP, that's the reason why I'm choosing to sell Euro USD. It might drop much than compared to GU, for now, yes. So I'll be taking Euro USD into a sell rather than GU USD. So this is the pair I'm trading, and I'm also looking forward to take some buys on USD ZAR. Yeah, I'm waiting also to take some longs on USD ZAR. Yeah, pairs have been doing well. You could see USD, JPY, GBP, JPY. You could see we're still buying them, and also stocks. As you could see, Nasdaq has been doing so well. You could see, yeah, it's almost reaching the draw liquidity. SP 500 is still doing so well. Russell 2000, this was my best pair, yeah, which actually played so well. And oil we're still consolidating. You could see it's under consolidation, but we're still bearish on oil. So this is what I had for today. Have a profitable week. Sharp.